I am Butterworth Foster. Good morning, Penn High School. Today, let's talk about classroom tips and tricks. Let's get started. Number 1, make sure you tell the truth because when you are telling someone something in our open and honestly way without letting you build trust with that person. Number 2, taking the time to do things that help you improve your physical health and care for your mental health. Try to be careful with what you say and sentences to others' feelings. Do the necessary things for someone who needs help. You feel for the person and want to bring help to them. You having a heart and kindness and wellness and in the right place can impact everybody around you. Number 4, pay attention to your teacher and your class and take care of the tasks the teacher gave. Be responsible and stay on top of your work and show up to class on time. Have response for your teacher and your peers. Number 5, asking a teacher for permission can show the response you have for the teacher. Always ask a teacher for help. If you are journaling, that will help you improve the way your teacher responds to you and can help build a relationship with the teacher or peers. Do not leave the classroom without permission. Stay in the classroom at least the teacher allow you to leave. If you need to stand up and tell a teacher about your feelings. It is important that they know how you feel. I will see you next time with more table tricks for next school year. Back to the desk. Go pen.